Have you ever been in a situation where you thought things were going great with a woman, but when it came down to intimacy, she just wasn't interested? You're not alone. The truth is, there are specific reasons why she might be holding back, and most men have no clue what they're doing wrong. In this video, I'm breaking down 16 key reasons why she doesn't want to sleep with you, from subtle mistakes you're making to major turnoffs that kill attraction instantly. If you want to stop getting rejected and start creating real desire, pay close attention. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Drop a like and share this with your friends. It truly means a lot to me. Now let's get started. 1. You're addicted to porn and she can feel it. Porn is draining your energy, warping your desires, and making real intimacy feel dull. You think you're hiding it, but trust me, she knows. Women have a sixth sense for weak, fake confidence. When your drive is numbed by endless scrolling and empty releases, you come off as detached instead of desirable. Your presence lacks fire, your touch lacks depth, and she can feel something is off. Porn isn't just killing your attraction, it's killing your edge. Break the cycle. Reclaim your energy. When your focus is on real women, not pixels, you'll spark real desire. 2. You're passive in the bedroom. Women crave a partner who takes charge, not someone who waits around for direction. When you're passive, it can come across as disinterest or a lack of confidence, neither of which is attractive. Instead, take the lead. Set the mood, initiate foreplay, and make her feel desired. Adapt to her reactions and be confident in your approach. She wants a man who steps up and takes control, not someone who hesitates or waits for permission. Show her you've got what it takes to lead the way. 3. You don't make her feel sexy. Every woman wants to feel desired. When you fail to compliment her or show appreciation, it can totally kill her vibe and enthusiasm. Take a moment to notice the little things, like how her dress accentuates her figure or how her energy lights up the room. Compliments like these don't just flatter, they make her feel irresistible. When she feels sexy and confident, that connection with you grows stronger and her attraction to you deepens. 4. You're not sexual enough. If you're not projecting sexual energy, she won't feel it. Simple as that. Women want to feel desired, not like some delicate ornament. Get playful. Whisper something a little naughty in her ear or tease her in just the right way. It's all about building that tension, not playing it too safe. Confidence and subtle seduction are your best friends when it comes to sparking real intimacy. 5. You're too nice. Women don't want a doormat. They want a man who excites and challenges them. If you're constantly agreeing, avoiding conflict, and bending over backward to please her, she won't see you as a confident, desirable man. She'll see you as boring. Being kind is great, but being too nice often comes off as needy or even fake. Stand your ground, own your opinions. Challenge her with charm and a little playful teasing. Studies show women are drawn to assertiveness, not passive, overly polite guys who are afraid to rock the boat. Confidence is king, so stop being too nice and start being real. 6. You lack ambition. No drive, no attraction. Women are naturally drawn to men who chase their goals, not just the next level in a video game. Ambition signals strength, stability, and leadership, the qualities that make a man irresistible. If your nights are spent mindlessly scrolling or gaming, she won't see a future with you, just wasted potential. Instead, build something, strive for more, and create a life that excites you. When you're on a mission, she won't just notice. You'll pull her into your world. Studies show ambition is one of the top traits women desire in a man. So, step up and make things happen. 7. You're too predictable. If she can predict your next move, she'll lose interest fast. Women crave excitement, mystery, and a little spontaneity to keep the spark alive. Ditch the cliché dinner and movie date. Instead, surprise her with something unexpected, a spontaneous late-night drive, a rooftop stargazing session, or an impromptu picnic under the city lights. Keep her guessing in a way that feels fun and effortless. Be unpredictable but still grounded. Make her wonder what's next while feeling safe in your presence. Keep the thrill alive. 8. You don't lead. Women crave a man who knows how to take charge. If you're constantly asking, "What do you want to do?" or waiting for her to make every decision, you're killing the vibe. Passivity doesn't spark attraction, it smothers it. Step up and take control. Plan the evening, confidently take her hand, and set the tone. When you lead with certainty in life, she'll trust you to lead in the bedroom. A man who owns his direction ignites unstoppable desire. 9. You've got a poor hygiene. Nothing kills the mood faster than bad breath, body odor, or dirty, unkempt nails. If you're neglecting basic grooming, you're turning her off before you even get a chance. Solution? Before you meet her, shower, trim your beard, and wear a fresh, appealing cologne. Fresh breath? Non-negotiable. Clean nails? A must. 76% of women say hygiene is a top priority for physical attraction. Don't let something as simple as bad hygiene ruin your chances. 10. You're emotionally immature. Acting childish, being emotionally unstable, or overreacting to small things makes her feel unsafe. And nothing kills attraction faster. What women crave. Emotional maturity is magnetic. Handle conflicts with calmness, take setbacks like a man, and show her you can navigate life's challenges without breaking down. A man who controls his emotions exudes strength. A man who doesn't? Weakness. Which one do you want to be? 11. You're giving off desperate vibes. Women have a built-in radar for desperation. And trust me, it's an instant turnoff. If you're constantly texting, over-apologizing, or pushing for intimacy too soon, you're killing the attraction before it even starts. Desperation screams, "I need you to like me," and that energy repels her fast. Stop chasing, build your confidence, focus on your own life, and let her feel your value. When you're truly secure in yourself, she won't just notice, you'll be the one she's chasing. 12. You over-explain. Over-explaining or oversharing is a major turnoff. When you spill all the details, you take away the mystery, and that's what keeps her intrigued. Instead, keep things playful and leave her wanting more. For example, if she asks about your past, respond with confidence. Some stories are best discovered later. The more you talk, the less she's going to feel that spark of curiosity. Keep it mysterious and watch her interest grow. 13. You don't flirt properly. Flirting is an art, not a science. When your flirting is awkward or overly forward, it completely kills the vibe. Instead, try complimenting her in a way that stands out. Mention her smile, her energy, or something unique about her that shows you're paying attention, not just focusing on her looks. The key to flirting is creating that magnetic tension, not rushing to get something in return. Playful teasing and light banter can build chemistry in ways you won't expect. Flirting isn't about forcing an outcome. It's about creating a connection and letting things flow naturally. 14. You're too eager. When you rush into sexual innuendos or push things too quickly, it can make her feel objectified rather than appreciated. Instead of jumping straight into sexual compliments, focus on building emotional connection through meaningful conversations. This is the key to creating both emotional and sexual chemistry. Patience is your secret weapon. Combine it with boldness to create irresistible tension and leave her wanting more. 15. You don't listen. When you ignore what she says, you're ignoring what she needs. Active listening isn't just about hearing her words. It's about showing you truly care. Pay attention to the little details she shares and bring them up later to let her know you're really listening. A man who listens makes her feel valued and unique, laying the foundation for a much deeper connection. When you listen, you're not just hearing her, you're building trust and intimacy. 16. You're self-centered. If you're only focused on your own needs and ignoring hers, intimacy becomes one-sided, and that's a major turnoff. Pay close attention to her body language and listen to her verbal cues. Take the time to explore what she enjoys, not just what you want. Real connection comes from mutual satisfaction. If you're not both enjoying the experience, you're losing her. Now that you know the 16 reasons she might not want to sleep with you, it's time to take action. Relationships and attraction are built on respect, communication, and genuine connection. If you're making these mistakes, it's not too late to change. Start paying attention to her needs, understand the subtle signals, and focus on creating a balanced, fulfilling experience for both of you. Remember, intimacy is about more than just the physical. It's about emotional and mental connection too. So, stop guessing and start applying these insights to improve your approach. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more dating advice. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have, and let's keep this conversation going. Thanks for watching. I'm your sweetheart, Natasha. See you in the next video.